Hey everyone, so I got my surround sound speaker here. Hopefully I'm going to answer all your questions about the speaker by showing you everything that it comes with, and then we're going to go over the features about this. So when you do receive it, it does come with an optical cord and also an auxiliary cord. Of course, we got our power line here. It does have some hardware because you can mount this on a wall if you want, and we've got a remote controller. The remote controller is really easiest to use this instead of the buttons on the side. You can see here we have options for movie sound, news, music. It also has Bluetooth. So the speaker is 48 watts. We've got two speakers here, and we also have a sound port on the back side. This is where you're going to go ahead, if you want to, mount it on a wall. It does have some non-slip feet, and then we've got inputs and outputs here on the side. Of course, we can control our volume here and the power. Here we can change the mode to different types of audio that you're listening to, whether it's movies or news. We've got inputs and outputs for additional speakers, optical, our power, also the auxiliary if you want to do an auxiliary speaker. And it doesn't take up much room at all. It's right around 12 inches almost in width. I love this speaker. Sounds so much better than the speakers that came with my TV. It definitely adds a lot of bass and some treble and a lot of realism. This is definitely my go-to speaker now with my TV, and I'm very happy with it. Hope you found this helpful.